Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Avalanche from Gemini to KuCoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your AVAX tokens seamlessly, you're in the right place. This process is quicker than you might think, but remember, crypto transactions involve real money, so we'll focus on safety and accuracy every step of the way. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and KuCoin. If you don't, head over to their websites, sign up, and complete any verification processes. It's crucial for security. Once that's done, log into your Gemini account. Navigate to the Wallet or Assets section and find your Avalanche AVAX balance. Next, click on the withdrawal option for AVAX. You'll need to enter the recipient address, which is your KuCoin wallet address. To get that, hop over to KuCoin, log in, go to your wallet, and copy the AVAX deposit address. Double-check this address. Crypto is unforgiving with typos. Now, back on Gemini, paste the address into the withdrawal form. You'll also need to specify the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits. Check Gemini's fees page for details. Review everything carefully, then hit confirm. Gemini might require two-factor authentication here, so have that ready. Once submitted, the transaction will process on the blockchain. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Head back to KuCoin and check your wallet for the deposit. If all goes well, your AVAX should appear shortly. A quick word of caution. Always use the correct network. AVAX transactions typically go through the Avalanche C chain. Watch out for gas fees and any platform-specific rules. If you're new, consider starting with a small amount to test. There you have it. That's how to withdraw Avalanche from Gemini to KuCoin in 2025. It's simple once you know the steps, but stay vigilant. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.